Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to be doing something super exciting. We're going to be taking the Lamborghini SVJ down to Titan Works and we're going to be getting our change oil done. We're also going to be installing the roof scoop from 1016 Industries, thank you to Import Hookup. And then after that, we're going to go down to Elite Motorsports so that we can install the Ginati exhaust, and the flame tune also will be done there. So let's get straight to it, and whoop, I guess that's our call time. This is our last day to hear the stock exhaust. That's the last day we're gonna hear the stock exhaust cold start too. And we're so early that they look closed, but it's okay. Get a chance to cool the car down so that they can rack it already. Tita was signaling me to do that, so I don't know if we're gonna change oil up here or downstairs. I think up here. Let's find out. We got this really cool face mask from Pista. It's the module down there. It's actually the exhaust valve controller, so it will force shut the exhaust valve in case you want a super quiet start, or we can force open the exhaust valve so it doesn't have to follow the factory exhaust valve position. Okay, let's look underneath the car and see what we damaged. This is one of the major things that we've damaged. It's the rubber lip. Some sticker damage already to the front lip, which means I need to go back to second skin to get that redone. This one needs to be changed. Tore off a bit of it already. If you guys need your car serviced, make sure to follow Titan Works PH on Instagram and you can message them for schedules. They specialize in all these supercars and obviously some normal cars too. Just like that, they're finished changing the oil. Tita is now clearing the service, and he's also wondering why the airbag light won't go out, but there's something wrong with the passenger side seat detection, so something I need to review once we get the materials. But what's going to happen is after we get the materials from Italy, we're going to remove the seat, send it down to Seat Pro to get it redone. SVJ roof scoop going in. Not sure where is which. Okay, we figured out the roof scoop is gonna have to stick there, and then when we remove the cover we have to break it in half because the other half will stay on the cowl. So I guess this is gonna go on. We're just gonna double tape everything on and then we'll be on our way. I hope it doesn't fly off. Okay, there it is. The 1016 Industries roof scoop is on. It looks pretty solid. Finished with Titan. Thank you so much to Tito and the team at Titan for doing the change oil really quick and installing the roof scoop. So we don't think the roof scoop will fall off naturally because the double tape holds everything. So double tape is super strong. Right now we're headed to Elite Project Motorsports. It's located in Pedro Hill. We're Wazing Southway Mansion in case you guys need to find this place. They specialize in tuning European cars and particularly the SVJ and doing the flame tune. They've actually done quite a few of them if I'm not mistaken. The owner and the guy who does the work, Jansen Yu, I've known him from way back, but I haven't seen him in decades. So this will be interesting to actually catch up. Hopefully they can do some work and then they can film some of the work that's going to happen to the car so that we can add it into the vlog. And then hopefully on Thursday the car is done. Maybe it'll be done on Wednesday, but since the car is color coded on that day, we're just gonna push to pick it up on Thursday. So right now Waze says we're just 9 minutes away, so the new Skyway makes everything super accessible and the visibility is not so bad. I thought by adding the roof scoop we will not see anything at all, but I still see on the left and right side of the roof scoop, so I'll deal with that. It does make the profile of the car way different. There's some other mods I do want to get for the car. I messaged our friends down at Novitec, but Novitec has been, I guess, yeah, the parts have been not available at the moment, so I'm waiting for production, I guess. So we'll see how that goes, and yeah, I'll just update you guys again when we get to Elite Project Motorsports. So we're a little early. Jansen is not here. He actually had to go out and service another car. It's a good thing we brought lunch. I prepared my lunch this morning thinking that I might be stuck somewhere, and because I'm plant-based now, it's very hard for me to just order food. So I prepped this morning. It's a good thing. Now I'm waiting for my driver. The exhaust is here. After lunch we will unbox it just to show you guys what the Ginati exhaust kit looks like, and then we're just gonna leave them to do their thing. I just have to explain how to remove the engine cover so that they don't damage the new roof scoop. It looks good from up here. I'll show you guys a bird's eye view of the car. Alright, we just finished lunch and now we're going to unbox the Ginati exhaust. So we brought the Pista kit, but apparently the Ginati kit comes with its own system, so we might use this instead. This is Jansen, by the way. And this is the Ginati straight pipe F1 style exhaust. Since we left the car with Elite Project Motorsports, we're now headed to Ferrari to pick up the Pista. So for tomorrow, we're going to be bringing the Pista to classic speed and doing a test with the E28 BMW that we're building for NTEC. She looks so good, super clean. I did have the air conditioning checked also, but they said no issues. We did have the sticky buttons cleaned because after a few years of Ferrari, the buttons do get sticky. Checking the 430, they finally installed the carbon ceramic brakes, but look at the clearance. Wow, it's so close! Wow. Let's get out of here. It feels great and I miss this car. The SVJ really is such a special thing in terms of its uniqueness and quirkiness. Even the field of view, seeing the full windshield and knowing where my hood is and my bumper is versus the SVJ where all you can see is actually just dashboard and stuff. So happy we're back in this car, but the SVJ is definitely a special treat in terms of theater and just making it like an occasion to drive. So nice thing with the Pista is you can use it on a daily basis and not really make a fuss. It's the end of the day and I'm finally near the house, and we're gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna be picking up the SVJ on Wednesday or Thursday, but in between tomorrow we'll be testing the E28 BMW at classic speed, and we're gonna visit the R33 drift track in Pampanga. Is it Pampanga? In San Simon exit. And then after that, yes, we're just gonna do a update with what's happening with Classic Speed, and then doing a update also on the E28 drift car. But beyond that, I don't know what other content we're gonna be able to come up with tomorrow, but we'll see when we get to the shop. So in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog of today, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Peace.